How to activate Lebara SIM card Germany. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can activate your Lebara SIM card in Germany. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Lebara account on your PC, and to log in you have to enter in the domain name for Lebara, which is www.lebara.com. Once you're logged in, go ahead and locate your home country, which is Germany, of course. And then once you're on the Germany's page, originally this page should be in German, but because for the sake of understanding, I would leave it in English. All right, so once you are on this page, the next thing for you is to scroll up and then click on SIM activation. SIM activation is located in the menu next to support and contract. All right, just click on SIM activation. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see, this page is in German. If you want to change it, you can just move over to where this country icon is, click on it, and then change it if you want to. But if you do not, you can just leave it like this. Now what this page is trying to tell you is for you to download the Lebara application. All right, all you need to do is download the Lebara application. You can do this by scanning this QR code with your phone, or you can just go to Google Play Store or any Play Store, which is if it's Apple. Just go to the Play Store, download it, and then once you download the app, go ahead, input your SIM card number and every other, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you follow these on-screen instructions, you'll be able to activate your SIM card. Very easy and simple. I cannot do that here because I am not in Germany and I do not have a SIM card, so I won't be able to show you practically. But just go to the App Store, download the Lebara application, fill in your details, follow the on-screen instructions, and from there your SIM will be activated. So this is how you can activate your Lebara SIM card in Germany. Thanks for watching.